Ne una de wadi snekanyakeha. Anyaki atanunha chate hadi lagiksa ugu'a. Ne anyaki hahu. Anyaki nigu ranira de ahuna dogonse. Ahundarari wayander hatne ne Kanen'shón. Using the Waldorf Early Years pedagogy as a model, Skaronhyase'kó emphasizes Ongwehongweneha through everyday conversation in an immersive setting. Teachers do not directly teach grammar, spelling, or writing of Ongwehongweneha in the early years. Rather than simply replicating mainstream curriculum, children are encouraged to use the language through everyday activities such as mealtime.
Ne kari dai da wat Skaronhyase'kó. Dat no? Kahiksu aga heta geha se wahyone de wahyarito atano nok o negenos nyawa sungwayatisa.
This gives children the space to naturally pick up the language, like allowing little seeds to become firmly rooted in the soil. Our classrooms create a warm home-like environment that engage all 5 senses. A child's day includes lots of outdoor time, free play, and walks, while offering the structure and routine a child needs to develop, like circle time. Proper attire is required. Our students aren't afraid to get a little muddy.
The slides are ready! Good, go! I'm going on this one!
Skaronhyase'kó students learn from doing. Our teachers are the basis of early years curriculum, so they are constantly developing personally, improving their language skills and teaching style. For an early years program application, email info@everlastingtree.org.